Hello, everybody. Welcome to Smart Grasp, Explore, and Win. Greetings for the day. Let's get started with today's topic. Chapter 4 Linear Equation and Two Variables, Exercise 4.4. In that, first sum, give the geometric representation of y equal to 3 as an equation. So, we are supposed to express this y equal to 3 in a geometrical form. In that, first subdivision in one variable, that is, we have to have only one variable, which is y equal to 3. Therefore, only one variable, so we need to draw only one axis which has 0 in the middle. Right hand side we have the positive number, left hand side we have the negative number. We can point out this y equal to 3, the value of 3 in this axis here, because 3 lies here. Hence we have represented this y equal to 3 in one variable in this axis. Now in two variables, so we need two variables. We have already one variable y, so let's introduce the second variable x with the coefficient 0, so that the meaning of the equation is not changed. 0x plus y equal to 3. Whatever value we substitute for x, the term becomes 0, because 0 into anything is 0, and we will have y equal to 3, that leaving the equation unchanged. So let's try substituting values for x. When x is equal to 0, 0 into 0 is 0, therefore y equal to 3. Therefore the corresponding point is 0, 3. Now when x is equal to 1, 0 into 1 is 0, y equal to 3. Therefore the corresponding point is 1, 3, and this goes on. We have taken two variables in our equation and we have substituted the values and we got the points. Let's substitute these points in the graph. 0, 3 comes here, 1, 3 will be here, and 2, 3 will be here. Similar way for the negative values. So we got a line which is parallel to x-axis and 3 units above the origin. We can even try with the negative numbers for our clarity. When x is equal to minus 1, we got y equal to 3. Therefore the point is minus 1, 3. That will be here. Therefore, on substituting different values of x, this line expands in both the direction. The points goes on for different values of x. Hence we got a line which is parallel to x-axis and 3 units above the x-axis. Hence we have represented the given equation with two variables. Now moving on to the second sum. In the second sum, give the geometric representation of 2x plus 9 equal to 0 as an equation. Similar way, we are supposed to represent 2x plus 9 in one variable and in two variable. So let's solve. We have the 2x plus 9 equal to 0 as the equation. When this plus 9 is transposed and it is moved to right hand side, it becomes minus 9. Therefore 2x is equal to minus 9. Now when this 2 is moved beyond the equal to sign, it becomes division. Therefore x is equal to minus 9 by 2, which is minus 4.5. So here we have the axis. This minus 4.5 lies between minus 4 and minus 5 here, which is x is equal to minus 4.5. Since it is only one variable, we will have only one axis in which we have plotted it. Now moving on to the second subdivision in two variables. We already have 2x plus 9 equal to 0. Let's introduce y with coefficient 0 now. 2x plus 0y plus 9 equal to 0. So that whatever value for y we substitute, the particular term gets 0, leaving the equation unchanged. When this plus 9 is transposed to right hand side, it becomes minus 9. Therefore the equation becomes 2x plus 0y equal to minus 9. Now let's substitute different value of y in the equation. When y equal to 0, 0 into 0 is 0. Therefore we will get 2x is equal to minus 9, which is x is equal to minus 4.5. Hence the point is minus 4.5, 0. Now when y equal to 1, 0 into 1 is 0. So we will have 2x is equal to minus 9, the same. Therefore the x will be minus 4.5. Similarly, when we try for y equal to minus 1, we got the same, x is equal to minus 4.5. Even when we try for y equal to 2, we will get the same answer. Now just writing down the points, minus 4.5 comma 1, minus 4.5 comma minus 1, minus 4.5 comma 2, and this goes on. Now let's plot these points in the graph. Minus 4.5 comma 0 will be here, this point will be here, this point will be here, minus 4.5 comma 2 will be here. Therefore, on changing the value of y, we got a line which is parallel to y-axis, and it is 4.5 units left to the origin, or 9/2 units left to the origin. Hence, the 2x plus 9 equal to 0 is represented graphically in the axis. We can conclude this like the graphical representation of the given equation is, it is a line which is parallel to y-axis and 9/2 units left of origin, because it is in the left hand side of origin. So yes, with this we are completing this exercise. Thank you all for watching SMART. Grasp, explore and win. Stay tuned for more videos.